dude, bro. He eats whatever. Y'all gotta clean the bed, but it's all good. He sleeps on here anyway. This guy can't stop. I don't know way. He already tore this whole thing. Holy shit! This fucking dog! Look, he's a dog, bro. He is literally a garbage disposal. He don't play. But he's living that good life. He's going 14. He can eat whatever he wants. Just not the chocolate. He have a little bite, but he can't eat it at all. It's not good at all, but 14 years old is pushing it. But he can eat whatever he wants, and he eats all my meals. I barely get a bite. That's why I lost weight. He eats it all. That's my brother, though. Oh, listen, get around.